It's Maddie.
Uptown Swing. It's Peter.
She's subbing in for Aaron because I didn't do the recap yet. But now we're doing it now. Level 1A count. Here it comes. Apologies for the tardy arrival here. We did a little bit of reminding you of the yo-yo and the promenade, just the difference between the two. Remember, follows you try to keep going every time, and sometimes you might get caught. We just messed around with that. Y'all did great with that. And then the big thing we did was a lot of swing outs and circles. So the new stuff was rock, step, triple step, turn around, back it up. Rock, step, triple step, around we go. When we send you out there, followers, you might not do a big old rock step at the beginning because you might be getting pulled in. And leaders, you swing out here, kind of down the line. When you're here, you're imagining you got to follow right here. You do a circle kind of the same way as usual, and you'll end up scooping your partner up. Here it is again. Hey. If you want practice, leaders, you could do this. Rock, step, triple. Rock, step, triple. You could turn around. We'll work on it more next week. So if this is too hard, don't sweat it. And Maddie, can you do it with the twist one time? 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll see this. We'll teach you in the future.
7, 8, twist,
2.
twist.
If you want. Check it out one more time. Bonus points for later. That's it. Hey.